Hello guys, welcome to 188 GCTV. So today we will gonna discuss to you how we clean our uh, aircon without opening the hood or the dashboard. So you don't need to open the dashboard. All you need is a pressure washer. So guys, you will need a screwdriver in order to open the gateway to spray to the aircon. By the way guys, we are cleaning the Avanza. This is a 2011 edition. This is how you will remove the compartment box. All you have to do is just pull and put that. As you can see, this is the fan control. All you have to do is take this one and also the other one. Okay guys, we have taken down the switch. You have to set this one away from the water. The sad thing about this Avanza guys is this model of Avanza, it has no cabin filter. That's why it always gets dirty and we have to clean always the. Okay guys, so we already set up the pressure washer and all you have to do is spray here like that, sideways. This pail guys is if you want to see if your aircon condenser is really dirty. All you have to do is pull the water outlet here like that and put it in a pail. Okay, like that. Then spray. Well, you can see there's no dirt coming out because this has just been cleaned and this is just a follow-up, but it has a little cloudy. I don't know if it can be seen, but it's a bit cloudy there. So you have to do spray like that. Do not spray fully because the water will fill the container in there and it will overflow. Okay guys, even though that we have cleaned it always, you can see there are some spots, some small dirt like that plug up there. So like this one, like that. See, I don't know where this stick came from, but you have to clean that one because this will clog your. To put the soap guys in the air condenser, you will use the extension and put soap. We use dishwashing soap or any soap that you can, liquid soap that you can use. Okay guys, so all you have to do is just spray. Same procedure, not too, so that it will not too much, so that it will not fill the container in there. So the last step would be to rinsing it with water and using a ice. This one I used to. This is to put the curves like that, or somewhere you cannot reach. You have to curve the water around that and the side like that. So that the pressure washer will turn going up. Okay. Okay guys, thank you. Hope you enjoy it and don't forget to subscribe for more how-tos and other stuff. Thank you.